everyone and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to make this Nutella squirrel pancake thing. So I've got the pan, I've got the little bottle to squeeze it on, I've got some batter mix, and I've got the Nutella. So all I need is some eggs, so I've got some eggs, and I'm going to I'm going to put the hob on, and then so I can start making it. Okay, so I'm going to put, first I'm going to do the egg, and yeah, okay, now I'm going to put this batter mix in. Hopefully it works in here because I really want it to work. I don't want it to fail. Put this. Okay, let's put the milk in. I've got to get a spoon to mix it with. I'm probably going to have to make more milk because this looks like way too much batter. Oh, it's starting to look like pancake mix. I think I might add a bit of lemon so it gives it a nice flavour to it. So it could taste like a lemon pancake. That'd be nice. It's too thick. Okay, so I'm just about to pour the batter in here. So let's do this. It looks like a baby bottle. I don't know how I'm going to do this. This is going to be really, really hard. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I think I've moved it already. I think I might turn the heat down. No, stay still. Oh my gosh, this is so hard. I don't think I can do this. Oh my gosh, I can't do this. I think I'm just going to have to make a pancake. I'm going to try on my second go. See if I can do it properly. Oh my gosh. I thought it was too liquidy. It's really hard to do it. So you can kind of see that outline of the squirrel in it. Even though this one's failed, you still see the outline, so I'm happy about that. Okay, so one of them has finished, so I'm just going to open the Nutella and I'm going to spread it on. Hopefully it tastes good. Very hard to spread Nutella on pancakes. Oh, not that hard. Stuck. Sticky. Oh, it's very brown at the back. That is very good. I'm gonna get this Nutella pancake thing. Hard to make, but Nutella in general is nice. Round pancakes is lovely. But this one turned out okay, and I put the chocolate in the middle, so it's like a chocolate Nutella roll. And I know it didn't have the design on that well, but at least it turned out well.